Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Coming up on tonight's video, we have a scary stranger in front of your home with a hammer. Not to mention another scary stranger walking down your sidewalk with a machete. No big deal when you live in Los Angeles. We also have this strange footage which could be a sign of Judgment Day closing in. Turn those notifications on so you can keep an eye on your packages, and don't forget to always keep your car doors and all your doors locked. As usual, let's take a good look into what to be vigilant about, especially if you live in Los Angeles, California. And this is just a warm-up, so fasten your seatbelts, grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Grab your plants and don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights. And without further delay, let's get started. In this clip we have a crazy man walking around with a hammer on this homeowner's front porch. Nothing to be frightened about here. Nothing scary about this guy at all. Be aware, be vigilant, and always keep your doors locked. This twisted and terrifying clip goes to show why you should always do just that. And a reminder to never confront a stranger in the night or even daylight at that matter. Absolutely terrifying to say the least. Please be aware if you're in the area. Two guys scoping out property. Does anyone recognize these two? Homeowner said I have multiple videos of them scoping out my property. One of the guys claims to be the grandson of the old owners, but I know that for a fact to be false because I know the only other person that has owned this house. This bullshit isn't fooling anybody. Please tell us your thoughts in the comments. Porch pirate. This thief stole an Amazon package off this porch. Hope he likes dog food. Because that's what this idiot stole. Homeowner of this residence said this man broke into our backyard and robbed multiple tools from 2 trucks and kept coming back and was checking all the cars from my apartment. He also was checking inside the cars and robbed coins from the car. He grabbed multiple bags of tools. Be aware of criminals like this and always keep your doors double locked, including your gates. Owner of this ring cam said a man followed their brother home. Not sure if he's having an episode or what, but this definitely does not seem normal. Pretty sure most of you will agree. A lot of horror movies either start or end out this way. Weird and creepy to say the least. A second cam of this weirdo. Seems he perhaps drinks his own roughy. Perhaps a future Jeffrey Dahmer in the making. All the more reason this video should make you vigilant. Talk about goosebumps. Yikes. Stolen car left in broad daylight. Homeowner was upset about this one, to say the least. They said some lowlife stole my nephew's Ubi that I just bought him because of his good behavior at school. He called me at 7:30 a.m. to tell me. How does it feel to steal from a 4-year-old? If someone recognizes him, please let me know or contact authorities. Absolutely shameful.
Hey, bro, wrong door. Sorry about that.
Strange man in this one trying to enter into homes with keys that he found. Be aware and always be vigilant. Guy steals package right after packages are dropped off. Like right after. Does this seem a little sus to you? Let us know in the comments. Do you think the drop-off was in on it, or was this criminal at the right place at the right time and just lucky? And just like that, in a matter of minutes we have another stolen package. Keep an eye on your packages. Things that go bump in the night. Stranger danger. Keep those doors locked and those notifications on. They will warn you of gremlins creeping on your porch at night. If at first you get caught, try again and get caught a second time. Trespassing and burglary in this clip. This is the second time this guy has broke into this home. He was arrested before and let go the next day. We can only hope a second offense is much tougher and this criminal gets his life together. They say there is an idiot born every minute. Clips like this prove just that. Ridiculous. Stolen scissor lifts and trailer from this work lot. Blue Yukon SUV and a white cargo van. Any information would be appreciated. This brazen criminal breaks into this store to steal. Let's take a look at this chooch together and watch what happens. Coyote spotted in backyard. Yikes. Talk about scary. Keep your pets inside, folks. Local homeless man thought it was okay to take a nap on this homeowner's front porch. He used the mat as a pillow. He was at least kind enough to lock the gate behind him as he entered and later left. Just after midnight, this unknown individual walked up to this door and tried to gain entry before knocking. Keep those doors locked, folks, and be aware. Especially if you're in the area. Wrong place. Or do the car seats serve as a decoy to drop someone's guard or give the impression he has the wrong place?
answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You can never be too careful these days and should always be vigilant and expect the unexpected. Let us know your thoughts on this one. Food stolen by neighbor. This clip makes us hangry here at Twisted TV. Can you believe the audacity of some brazen criminals? We would have chased that man down. You never touch another man's food. Let us know what you would have done in that situation in the comments below.
Hey, boss man! Yo!
Person entering property without permission. He was looking around, pacing back and forth. Rang the doorbell, looking through the window, and he tried turning the knob of my front door to see if it was open. He is walking around and going down the alley with a broom and cart. Be careful, homeowner said, and be vigilant out there. Intruder in the area, be aware. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please consider showing your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now. Join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. Until next time, keep it classy, stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. And thanks for watching.